Alright guys, Famous Aaron here. What we're going to do here is preparation of brisket before we do brining. Okay. So what I have here is whole brisket. So we call this one also a whole packer. So we need to remove it from the packaging. Okay guys, so this one we receive chilled. So it's not frozen, this type of brisket. You just carefully remove the brisket here, and always remember guys, safety first. Safety first. Okay. And always clean your items. So safety first, meaning I have the iron gloves here underneath the plastic gloves. Okay. So for this type of brisket, we need to check the fat cap or the fat content on this brisket. As you can see, as we know, this is the flat part of the brisket and the point part of the brisket. I'm just inspecting here the amount of fat. So we want some fats on the brisket, but we don't want too much of it. Yeah, in order to give our brisket also basting during smoking process. So here I'm just gonna carefully trim off the brisket with your boning knife. Right, so this one has a lot of fat content. Just carefully removing. Carefully removing. We can make an insertion just to check how much fat is inside. So that much has been removed. Okay, and remember, we need some of the fat that keeps our brisket moisture during the smoking process. Alright, so on that side it's been trimmed off. Check on the back side. So this one here, see, this is hard. Even if I trim off this much, still have fat. I'm just making a small insertion here. You guys can see that's a lot of fat. Okay. Just carefully removing that fat content. Okay, so we have removed the fat already, and check the sides. This one is, check here. Make sure your knife also is sharp. It's a little bit thick. Alright. So this pretty much is trimmed off fat. So imagine the fat that we remove from this one brisket. Okay. Again, we need fats to render during smoking time that is basting our brisket. Okay. The next step now here is to get our brine solution and soak this one at least 8 hours. This 8 hours is good enough for the flavors of our brine to sink in on our brisket. Right? There you go.